Greetings gastronauts, this is KeefCooks, I'm Keef, and today I'm going to show you how to make a favourite Indian snack, samosas. This was requested by Lady Judged, and yeah, samosas, I love them. They're, you know, just a little triangle of loveliness. The ones I'm making today are just, you know, your standard vegetarian. Potato and peas and a bit of carrot onion, and yeah, they're actually very easy. Bit fiddly and time consuming to make all those triangles, but I'll show you how, and then you'll be an expert. Let's do it. Okay, ingredients for your samosas. You got 4, well, smallish spuds, or any combination of bigger or medium ones. Some frozen peas, a carrot, a small onion, some well past its date coriander, cilantro, some garam masala, some chili flakes, these are chipotle ones, some cumin, ground cumin or whole cumin seeds, and ginger and garlic paste, and some, well, it says Samosa leaves. So it's just strips of pastry for making samosas with. I'm not going to make my own because life's too short. Anyway, I've got a pan of water coming to the boil. I need to cook my spuds and my veggies. So we need to peel the spuds and chop them into quite small chunks so that they cook more quickly. So we'll pop the spuds into the boiling water, and top and tail carrot, and I'm going to grate that. Grate. So I'll pop the carrot in with the spuds, and then I'm going to put it on the back burner on the stove. So the spuds and carrots are nearly done. They only take like 5-10 minutes when you cook them that small. Got some just off the boil water just to unfreeze the peas. It's good slogan, isn't it? Unfreeze the peas. And now we want to slice this onion quite thinly, and then chop the strips down small. Okay, so slice my onions, and I'm just going to pop some butter in this fry pan. I would have used ghee if I remembered to make any. It wouldn't take long, but I'm up against it here because I had a disaster with the recipe I spent all day working on, and this is, you know, let's try and get something out for the weekend. Sorry about that. So you want to heat your butter or ghee to kind of medium, and we'll add the onion and just let it cook gently just to soften for a bit. Okay, so the onions are softened. I'm going to add a lot of tasty stuff. So ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoons, ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon, my favourite, chili flakes, 3. That was about 1/8 of a teaspoon. That could still be way too hot for me, but there you go. And I think 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. Just mix that all together. So we just let that cook for a few minutes and then take it off the heat. So now we can assemble the filling. I've got the potato and carrot. I'm just going to mash that a little bit with a fork. Maybe pop some butter in there. So he likes a bit of butter. So we'll add the onion and spice mix, and the peas, and the chopped up coriander. Stir that all together. Have a sneaky little taste. salt in it. A little bit of salt. And let that cool down a bit, and then we'll assemble our lovely samosas. So I'm just about to make up the samosas, but before I do, I need a little paste of cold water and flour. And this will be the glue to stick them together with. So you want about equal quantities of water and flour. And just mix it so it's a smooth slurry. So there's a few different styles of, forming or rolling up samosas. Some are like a circle that then becomes a cone that's pinched together. There's the Punjabi ones, which I think also start as a circle and get raised up into like a pyramid. But the ones that we are used to in the UK, mostly, I think, are equilateral triangles with multiple layers of pastry. So it's a little bit tricky to get the hang of, but you need to start off with a 60-degree fold. I'll get rid of that now. And then a spoonful of filling. And then fold that so its edge is aligned with the one that you cut. Roll it over. Align that. It's a bit dry now. And then roll it over again. So basically you get 2 layers of pastry, and then cover that flap and stick it down. Plodding on. I actually quite enjoy doing this, but if I was going to be a full-time samosa maker, I'd want a chair. 22 samosas. It feels more like 220. That really is a job to do when you're sitting down. Anyway, so now to cook them, I've got a couple of inches of vegetable oil in a frying pan on kind of medium heat, and we'll just pop a bit of the pastry in and see what happens. So it didn't turn black straight away, that's a good sign. It should turn sort of golden brown in about a minute. Okay, let's chuck that samosa in. Okay, got the temperature right now. Okay, it's taste test time with you know who.
Mrs.
KeefCooks.
Yeah.
Raised pork pie. No
Yeah,
samosa.
right. I like samosas. Ooh.
I like samosas.
Still warm.
Yeah.
Oh,
Fresh out. They're not the oven, but yeah.
I'm dropping flaky pastry everywhere, mind.
All right, isn't it?
Yeah. I like samosas.
Need some meat in them.
These veggie. I thought so. Oh yeah.
Mostly potato.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Crispy comfort food.
It is.
Yeah, it's got just enough kick to it, so it's got chilli in it, yeah? But not really, not
an
vanilla chilli.
eighth of a teaspoon of chipotle chili flakes.
I love it.
Yeah.
If you say chipotle, I automatically expect to get my head blown off, but that's not what's happening. Yeah.
Well, no, chipotle's warm and smoky. Nice.
Yeah,
There you go.
I agree.
In minuscule quantities. Oh, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, etc. And thanks for watching. See you next time. It's been a hard day.